Arabic. Yeah? Are you Muslim? Yeah, of course. Okay, I got camera right there. Would you mind to be on YouTube? Okay, I got a challenge for you basically, and if you're gonna answer my question right, you're gonna win something very, very nice. Who is the final prophet in Islam? Oh my God! Congratulations! You won a ticket to Israel.
What? I don't want Israel. There's no country called Israel anyway.
So do you want it? Come on, take it. Take it. You need to take it. You just answer my question right.
Thank you for that. I want it.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure about that? Let's try someone else. I don't know. Hey, excuse me. Come here. Yes, I'm talking to you.
Why the camera is on? Why you come?
I'm doing YouTube video. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
No, it's alright. YouTube. Hi, salam.
What would you say if now I would give you a ticket to Israel?
Ticket. Free ticket.
You're Muslim, yeah?
I am Muslim, yes, alhamdulillah.
Alright, yeah, a free ticket.
Free ticket.
Go and come back for 3 days. Go in.
تعطوني اياه انت. ليش شقيت السراء؟ في بلد اسمه اسرائيل.
It's fine, yeah? Okay, basically I got a question for you, and if you answer it correct, right, you're gonna win something very, very nice. Who is the final prophet in Islam? Oh my God, that's right, yes. Your answer was very correct, and what you won is a ticket to Israel.
What?
A ticket to Israel for 3 days.
No, I'm not gonna take that shit.
You're gonna take that?
No, I'm off.
You sure about that?
I'm sure because they're killing all people in Palestine. You know what happened every time? Boom, by boom, like every single.
Yes.
They're killing.
Yes, I know, but I got this for you to go to their country, not to be one of them.
No, I'm not gonna go down.
why you recording?
I've got a question for you. You look Muslim, yeah? You're Muslim.
الحمد لله. تحكي عربي؟ حبيبي عربي. يلا كيفك؟ حبيبي رح يسألك شو الصوت؟
Okay, basically,
Yeah.
I've got a question for you. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
No, it's alright. I don't mind.
Okay, who's the final prophet in Islam?
Muhammad, peace be upon him.
Okay, congratulations. You won a ticket to Israel.
To Israel.
Yes.
Really? علم إسرائيل شقوا. Oh my God.
Who is the last prophet in Islam? Oh my God, the answer is right. And what you winning is a ticket to Israel.
I would never go to this place in my life.
You would never go?
No, never go. I would never go to this place.
Why not?
Because I'm with Palestine.
You're with Palestine?
100%, yes.
Oh, ticket to Israel.
Yes.
Oh, it's beautiful country, man. I will go.
Well, you know.
Why are you defense, man? I'm going to go to Israel. I am Muslim too, man. I like it. Wallahi, look what you've done. Look, you ripped the flag. Look. Look, you ripped the flag. We're not going to go to bed.